Hello and welcome to Data Vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce to Microsoft Excel application. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application introduced by Microsoft in 1985. In Microsoft Excel, you can store data in rows and columns like this. Also in Microsoft Excel, you can use functions, different features to format the data, save the data, or you can summarize the data, or you can build dashboards like this for data analysis purpose so that businesses can take strategic decisions to improve the business outcomes, or you can summarize the data using pivot tables. For example, this is a membership scheme level data where how different schemes are being utilized for an insurance company. Using pivot tables, we were able to summarize the data like under each region how many times each scheme has been utilized, and we were able to create a dashboard around the scheme utilization using Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel has evolved a lot since the launch because now it supports many data files where you can import data from Excel sheet or XML sheets or databases or from cloud or different sources, or you can use advanced Excel functions for manipulating the data, or you can use the DAX query language which developers use in SSRS or Power BI for creating custom columns or measures for data analysis purposes. So Microsoft Excel has been an on-to-go application for small and mid-scale companies over the years, where the businesses have used Microsoft Excel for saving their data, manipulating, or for accounting purpose or sales purpose, or even for generating invoices. So that's a small tutorial on Microsoft Excel. In upcoming videos, I'm going to upload in-depth Microsoft Excel tutorials. So please do subscribe to Data Vlog for more Excel tutorials. Thank you.